welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the green Shiba Inu token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to get this token. But before we get started, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials coming on this channel. So if you guys are interested in crypto and you want to learn how to buy, how to sell, and lots more, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel as I have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, all we have to do to get this token is first off go into our Trust Wallets. And I'm just going to let you guys know, I'm not going to show you guys how to create your Trust Wallet or how to buy or transfer BNB in this video. I'll have separate tutorials for those linked in the description and comment section if you guys need to learn how to do that first. And then you guys can come back to this video if you want this token. Anyhow, first thing that we have to do once we have our BNB inside of our smart chain wallets on our Trust Wallet, we'll have to go over and get the contract address from CoinMarketCap. So we'll have a link in the description and comment section for CoinMarketCap. So we can just head over there now and we'll be on this page on CoinMarketCap to get the contract address. Now, all we have to do is go beside where it says contracts here and go all the way to the right and click on the little copy button. Once we click on the copy button, we can go back into our Trust Wallets and open that back up. Then we just want to go to the top right of the screen where we see the 2 lines and 2 circles. Click on that. Then just go to the top search bar here and paste that contract address in. Once that's pasted in here, you'll see the green Shiba Inu token. So we just go ahead and enable that and then click on done. Once we have our token inside of our Trust Wallet, we just have to go over to PancakeSwap. So I'll show you guys what to do next when you're on PancakeSwap, and I'll have the link in the description for that as well. So let's go ahead there and I'll show you guys what to do next. And then when you guys are on PancakeSwap, you just have to go to the top right corner of your screen to the Connect Wallet button and click on that. Once you guys click on Connect Wallet, we're actually not going to click on Trust Wallet here. We're actually going to click on Wallet Connect instead. And then once we click on Wallet Connect, we'll see all the wallets that are supported with this method. So you guys can use MetaMask or any other wallet if you have BNB on there. But I'm going to be showing you guys with Trust Wallet. So we're going to click on Trust Wallet for this portion. And once you click on Trust Wallet, we just have to wait for this pop-up screen saying to connect our wallets. So we'll just give this a moment to pop up here. And once you guys get this screen here saying to connect, you just want to click on the connect button to connect your wallet. And then we can head back over to PancakeSwap. Once we're back on PancakeSwap, we'll know our wallet's connected when we see our wallet icon in the top right corner, as well as our balance of BNB right here. And for whatever reason, if you guys don't see your balance of BNB here, but you do have BNB inside of your Trust Wallet, just make sure it's in your Smart Chain wallet on your Trust Wallet, or else it will not show up in PancakeSwap. Anyhow, all we have to do now is click on Select a Currency and paste that same address in here that we got from CoinMarketCap. Once that is done, we'll see the green Shiba Inu token again, so we can click on Import, I understand, and then Import. Once we have this done, we have to change the slippage tolerance, and according to the website, the slippage tolerance for this token is 20%. So to change the slippage tolerance, we'll just go over to this little settings gear, click on that, and then right here, we'll be able to change our slippage tolerance to 20%. And once we have that done there, we just have to decide how much BNB that we want to transfer into the green Shiba Inu token. So let's just say, for example, I want to do 1 BNB. I can go ahead and transfer that, and then it will show me the amount I'll get in exchange. Now, if you guys are okay with what you see here, you can click on the swap button where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. Once you click on the swap button, it's going to show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your fees and things like that. Now, if you're happy with that on the next page, you can go ahead and click swap one more time. And once that is done, we can exit out of here and go back into our Trust Wallets, and our token will arrive here usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out showing you how to get this token. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.